Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and are you tired of food getting stuck in your teeth and regular floss just isn't getting it? Well, now you can with this water flosser.
This is the Sidekick water flosser from Waterpik in the black and copper color. So this water flosser has really saved my teeth. It really flosses out all the hard to reach places. And I love that it's ultra compact, so it's perfect for those who have limited counter space in your bathroom. And it comes with everything that you need, a flossing stylus with a tip, the water basin, and the necessary plugs. So I mostly use it at home. However, since it is portable, I am able to travel with it, and I'm so happy that it doesn't take up much space in my bag. And it's really easy to use. I just like to fill up the water reservoir with warm water, and then I turn my head to the side and I control the pressure on the side however much I like it, and I let the flosser do its job.
So I really am happy that this is portable, it's convenient, it's really good to travel with, and it's perfect for small spaces as well. And I've noticed that ever since I started using this, my trips to the dentist have been much shorter, but hey, that's just my point of view.